All right, on today's episode of Cheap Motorcycle Upgrades, what do you got, Ray Bob?
I got a new windshield, or as the boys over the pond call it,
A windscreen. Ooh.
It's going to be black. It's going to go right here.
That's going to look good.
I hope so.
Looks pretty simple, right? Looks like it's only going to be 4 bolts when I get this thing cracking.
Yeah, so.
There's no nut on the back, right?
It's a rubber gasket.
Hey, I like rubbers.
No, you don't. You got 4 kids. No.
Well, gaskets.
Oh, the rubber gasket is stuck to the old windshield. So the longer ones go in the front. Say, give me a shot. I just do this.
Yeah, spin it all the way around, yep.
I have the option to, so why not?
Where'd you buy the windscreen at? Amazon?
Amazon, the vendor has a long Chinese name.
Oh, so you know it's good.
Right, that's my 4 bolts. So I should just be able to take it off now, right?
Yes, sir.
Theoretically. Well, that part, what has it when it gets...
Oh, fuck.
Oh, it slides out.
Ta-da! Right, well, the holes look like they line up, right?
Yeah, it's just the structure is different. Also, we're probably going to have to pop these gaskets out.
Yes, let's do that. Good thinking, G.
Jeeves. Ask Jeeves.
Did you get them all, or did you just hit the one?
There's only 2.
The bottom ones don't have it?
No, there's built in. Like a screwdriver or something for me to shove these in through.
Listen.
Stop holding the windscreen.
Which way to go?
The bottom goes through... No, it's like this. It's like this.
So this side's gonna go up through here.
Yes. If anyone has an easier way to do it, I'm all ears. Whew. Did it. Did it. Apart.
How did you do the last one?
I have no clue. It just went in eventually. Here, I'll pass off the torch.
Alright, like that?
Yep. Alright.
Wasn't pretty, but...
Well, it never is.
That's what she said. Hold on, we're gonna probably pull these out slowly. There we go. Okay. Did you read the instructions?
There were no instructions.
This side's gooch.
So this side just not clicking in?
No.
There we go. Alright, just a little love push.
Love a little push. It lined up good. You switch the ratchet over to on.
Yep.
You always twist it on with the fingers first.
Oh, you're right.
This way you don't strip it out. You're going the wrong way.
I'm just gonna thread them all so it's all lined up properly.
Yes. That's genius.
Okay.
This feels like it's cheap shit.
Well, $60 on Amazon for a Chinese seller? Come on.
I mean, everything just seems like cheap shit. This is here just in case.
Alright, now we got tightened up.
Because you got them lined up pretty good, right?
I mean, the bolts all made it in.
Wow, that one's more like pointier than your old one though, huh?
It's for racing.
Yeah, more aerodynamic. There you go. And these are better for you because they actually say on and off on the ratchet.
Non-mechanically inclined human.
Yeah, I don't know what's called, a gear wrench, whatever, set.
This would be, I believe, gear wrench.
A lot of it I'm wasn't impressed with, but some of it I am.
This is gonna look like a completely different bike now. Did we take a before shot? No.
I think we got 9,000 pictures of this
I
bike.
take so many pictures of my bike.
Yeah.
I'm proud of it.
I think it should be. I think we're good with the pictures on it.
Well, now we're gonna need to get all new pictures. Now it's all out of date, just like your Seafoam Green 300.
Yeah, that thing was cool. They ruined that on me.
Alright, so I think the 2 back ones are good. Let me double check the front one.
Oh, crank them, man. Make sure they're tight.
Well, it's plastic, bro. I don't want to do anything bad. Well, you know it's tight when I don't have to hold the thing anymore. It's like a Twigger. That was real tight.
Yeah, like I said, you don't want to crack them. All right, let's set this shit down. You know, push out so we can get some really good pictures of it.
Yeah.
Just a couple feet.
Off the patio.
Yeah, like right there, it's good. All right, there you go, man. Looks good. For 60 bucks.
60 bucks, cheap piece of plastic. We can buy some Kawasaki stickers to make it look like it's stock.
Nah, you don't need it. All that. But I like how it's got this, so you get your head low, get the aerodynamics.
Yeah.
So when you're doing 2 bills on it.
2 bills, boss.
Definitely made the bike look darker.
Well, you yell because it's all just white. All white all the time.
Well, now it looks,
Looks like it's mine. Looks lived in.
Yeah, sometimes you gotta do it. I don't know. You happy with it?
Yeah, I'm happy with
You
it.
got off of Amazon, right? What cost you? 60 bucks, you said?
60 bucks.
And it was easy, man. 4 bolts, bada boom, bada bing, and he's done. All right, is that it?